Hello everyone. Welcome to this video on how to add the report viewer control to a WPF application. Before getting into the video, let's talk a bit about the report viewer in bold reports. The report viewer is a reporting control that empowers desktop and web applications to view, print, ssrs, RDL, and RDLC reports, and export them into popular file formats like PDF, Word, Excel, and more. In this video, we will see how to create a WPF reporting desktop application to display a ssrs RDL report using the Bold Reports WPF Report Viewer. First, let's create a WPF application. Open Visual Studio 2019. And click Create a New Project. The Bold Reports WPF Report Viewer control supports WPF Application.NET Core and WPF Application.NET Framework. For this demo, I choose WPF Application.NET Core from the listed template. And click the Next button. I change the application name. And click the Next button. Choose the target framework as .NET Core 3.1. And click the Create button. After clicking the Create button, the default WPF application is created. Next, let's install the NuGet packages. In the Solution Explorer tab, I right-click the project or solution and choose Manage NuGet Packages. In the Browse tab, search for the Bold Reports.WPF package, and install it in the WPF application. The Bold Reports.WPF package contains WPF reporting controls to view, print, and export the report. Now, let's initialize the report viewer control. Open the main window.xaml file. Declare the Bold Reports.WPF report viewer namespace inside the window tag. Then, create the report viewer component inside the grid tag. Let's add some reports that have already been created. Create a folder named Resources in the root folder of the application. For this video, I am going to add the sales order detail.rdl file to the resources folder. You can get the sales order detail.rdl file from the video description. I have also included a link to more samples and demos in the video description. Now, I will change the build action properties of the added report. I right-click the report file and select Properties from the context menu. The property pane will be displayed. Change the build action of the report file to Content. And Copy to Output Directory to copy if newer. The properties for the report file are changed because, by default, the WPF application will read the report from the bin folder. But in this application, report is added to the resources folder, which is in the root folder of the WPF application. By changing the build action and the copy to output directory properties, the report file will be copied to the bin resources folder while compiling, and the WPF application will read the report from there. Now, let's set the report path. The report path property sets the path of the report file to the report viewer. I open main window.xaml.cs file and initialize the main window_loaded event inside the main window constructor. Set the report path property in the main window_loaded event. Invoke the refresh report method to process and render the current report in the main window_loaded event. To view the report viewer, build and run the application. You can see the sales order detail report loaded in the Bold Report Viewer. In this video, we've learned how to add a report viewer control to a WPF application using bold reports. Stay tuned to this channel for our upcoming videos on bold reports. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.